Hello friends, welcome to Error Code. I am Tanya. In this video, we are making Paint app with Python. So let's start. Here we are using VS Code IDE. First, let's import everything from tkinter. From tkinter, import all. Now we have to make a window and its name will be root. Root equals to tk. To launch this window, we have to type root dot main loop. Now we have to add a canvas in this window. For that, we will type canvas equals to canvas root comma height equals to 800, width is also equals to 800, and bg equals to white. Now we have to define a variable width which will be 10. So width equals to 10. Let's make a function which will draw a circle on the position of the mouse and its name will be paint. Def paint event x comma y equals to event dot x and event dot y. Canvas dot create oval x minus width, y minus width, x plus width and y plus width. Fill equals to red and width equals to 0. Now we have to check if the mouse is working on the canvas or not. If it is, the paint function will be called. For that we will type canvas dot bind b1 motion and paint. To display the canvas, we have to type canvas dot pack. Now we can draw on the canvas. To draw in different colors, we have to add a color palette so we can pick the colors and draw. First, let's define a variable color which will be black. Color equals to black. And this fill in create oval function should be color that we have just defined. Color. Now we have to define a function which will take a parameter whose name will be new color, and this function will set the color as new color. For that we have to type def set color new color global color equals to new color. Now we will make a new canvas and its name will be canvas2 equals to canvas root comma height equals to 40 and width equals to 800 and bg equals to white. And canvas dot pack let's make a function which will display colors and check if they are clicked, and the function's name will be color palette. For that we have to type def color palette id equals to canvas2 dot create rectangle 10, 10, 30 and 30. Fill equals to blue and width equals to 1. canvas2 dot tag bind id comma button1 comma lambda x colon set color blue. Make sure that this blue is a string. So let's call the function color palette. Now we can draw in two different colors, blue and black. Let's add more colors to it. Now we have added more colors to it. Now we have to make a function which will clear the canvas. For that we will type def clear all canvas dot delete all. Let's make a button to call this function. Button equals to button root comma text equals to clear all and command equals to clear all and button dot pack. Now we have to install two libraries, Pillow and Pywin32. To install them, open cmd and type pip install Pillow. Once it is done, install the other one. Pip install Pywin32. Now the both libraries are installed. Let's import them. Import Win32GUI, import time from pill, import imagegram. Now we have to make a function which will take screenshot of the canvas and save it. Let us name the function as saveImage. Def saveImage id equals to canvas dot winfo id rect equals to win32GUI dot get window rect id and current time equals to time not strf time %h %m %s and %p. This strf time makes string from time and image grab dot grab rect dot save, f string, current time dot png. Once it's saved, we have to clear the canvas dot delete all. Let's make a button to call it save equals to button root comma text equals to save and command equals to save image and save.pack. Now if I draw anything on this canvas, I can clear it, draw and save it. See, the image is saved by the name of the time. And now we have to set the width of our brush. For that, first let's define a variable new width equals to double var root. Make sure that root is defined above it. And now let's make a scale equals to scale root and from underscore equals to 1 and 2 equals to 50. Variable equals to v and command variable equals to new width and command equals to set width. Now we have to define this set width function. It will set width as new width's value. Def set width global width and width equals to new width dot get and scale dot pack. Orientation orient equals to horizontal. We have to do this W capital, else we will get this error. Now we have to give a parameter here which is event. Now we can draw on the canvas, set the width of the brush and change the color. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. So please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.